Hello, welcome to this video. Here we will learn tuples in Python. It is one of the data type or object type. Here I have created empty file called in comment. I have written name of file as well, tuple underscore demo.py. So I will show you how to create empty tuple. So for example, t1 equal to tuples are given in round bracket. So equal to empty round bracket. I will check it whether it is created or not. So using print, I will pass t1 and save it. When I execute this program using py tuple demo.py, so when I run it, this is empty tuple is created. It is denoted by round bracket. Similarly, I can create tuple with some value. For example, t2 equal to in round bracket, I will pass 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. Okay. Similarly, I'll create a tuple with some strings. T3 is equal to, suppose I write Java, comma in quotation double quotes Python, comma double quote or single quote C. I will just save this and check the whether these tuples are created or not. So print T2, similarly print 3 T3. I will save it and by using I will check it. This is the empty tuple. This is the tuple created with some integer value and tuple created with string values. Like that, I can create tuple from list. So I'll come give comment tuple from list. So first of all, I create a list. List suppose L1 is equal to list are given in square bracket. Suppose I give value 22, 33, 44. So this is the list created. So from the list, I can create a tuple. For example, T4 is equal to, for that I will use constructor tuple. Tuple is a constructor to which I will pass L1 as a list. Okay. And I'll check it by printing T4, that is a tuple which is created from list. Save it and run it. So this is the tuple which is last tuple that is created by created from the list. Like like the list, we can print individual value of tuple. For example, if I wanted to print T3, I wanted to print Python. So T3 of in square bracket, I should give index. Index of Python is 1. So I'll put 1. So when I save it and run this program, I will get Python. Similarly, slicing can be applied, that is printing uh, values of T2 from 2 to 3. So I'll mention T2 in square bracket. The index of 2 is 1, 2, 3. That is index of 3 is 2. So I should mention index of 4. So index in slicing, index of second number minus 1. So when I save it and run it, I will get, uh, I should close the bracket. When I run this, so I'll get 2, 3, 4. I want to get it from the up to 3. Okay, save it and run it again. So it will give 2 and 3. That is like that slicing can be applied. Similarly, negative index can be applied on tuple similar to list. So suppose I want to print uh, T3 only C. So I'll mention minus 1. So when I mention minus 1 and save it and run this, just clear screen. So it will give C only, last number. I will show negative index for T2. Suppose I want to print it for so 4 is printed. I want to print from -1 to, it should be this number -2, -1, -2, -3. So -3 to -1. When I save it and run this, I will get 2 and 3. So these two numbers are printed. Similarly, we can print a reverse of tuples values. So in that case, we give suppose for T2 in square bracket, we mention colon colon and -1. When I save it and run it, it will give reverse. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 of T2 and this is reverse is printed. Similarly, these are the methods and functions that could apply on tuples, len, max, min, sum, tuple, sorted, count, and index. The same thing that we have used for the list. We can try few of them. Suppose I wanted to print length of len length of suppose T2. When I save it and run it, so I'll get the length of T2 is 4. Similarly, other function can be tried. Max, min. Only thing is that max, min, and sum that should be applied on numerical tuples. These are immutable sequence. That means we cannot update or change individual value or values stored in the tuple. For example, suppose if I want to change value of T2 of 3, sorry, in square bracket 3 is equal to T2 of 3 is suppose I know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will make it as a 40. Okay, I will save it and when I run this program, it will give error. There in error it says that tuple object does not support item assignment. That means we cannot assign. This operation is not allowed. We cannot change values of tuples because they are immutable sequence. Thank you for watching video.